Hello everyone, I'm your host, Atwas, and in this tutorial I'm here to guide you through the process of setting up subdomains for an EVLBox Minecraft server. Setting up a subdomain can offer numerous advantages, especially if you don't already have a domain linked to your server. With a subdomain, sharing your server's IP becomes effortless, and it's easier to remember. So, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In this tutorial, I'll be using Opera GX. Next, navigate to nitro.evlbox.com and access your server panel. Before proceeding, ensure that your server is offline. Once you've confirmed your server's offline status, head over to the subdomain section within the server panel. This is where the magic happens. You have the option to select from 2 domains to link with your subdomain. For example, I'm going to choose tutorial as my subdomain, resulting in tutorial.evlbox.com, which is easy to share. That's all there is to it. You can now turn your server back on. Let's fire up Minecraft and test if the subdomain is working. Now that Minecraft is running, go to the multiplayer section, add a new server, and enter your subdomain as the IP address. Give it some time to load, refresh it a couple of times, and there you have it. It's working seamlessly. Let's try joining the server. And just like that, we're in. That concludes this tutorial. If you're in search of exceptional web hosting or game hosting services, be sure to check out www.evlbox.com. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.